I chose the Sigma measuring tape because its distinctive design sets it apart from the competition. Most tapes have some sort of rubber to protect the tape, which is functionally really great, but it does give them all a very common look. This tape measure, on the other hand, is crafted from a glossy red plastic with a matte black section in the middle. The lettering on the front is raised, which is a great touch, especially compared to most tapes that just have stickers or printed on branding. On the corner, you have a lanyard tether for people working at heights. One of the coolest features is on the back of the tape measure. Instead of a standard clip, it has an attachment that fits into Tajima's clip and hold system. The clip easily slides into a belt loop up to 2 inches wide, and the tape measure clicks securely into place. To release the tape measure, simply press down on this yellow part while pulling up simultaneously. The action is really satisfying, and it turned out to be a really practical feature. Instead of misplacing my tape measure, I actually want to click it back into place now. If you're anything like me, you set your tape down, fully intending to grab it when you leave, but somehow it always ends up forgotten. I used to lose an average of like 3 to 4 tapes a year. Tajima also offers this clip in black, and they have vertical options if you use a harness or want a clip made out of metal. The clip can also be used to attach other items to it. But if you are married to a certain type of tape measure and just want the clip system, you can take out the clip from the Tajima and put it on any tape measure that has a standoff screw type, which is just like a little Phillips. Alternatively, you can purchase this quick draw belt clip from Komelon for around $10. I have personally not used it, but it seems like a great option. The hook of this tape measure is not magnetic. Not a big deal for me personally, as I find it annoying, but I know for a lot of people this is a must-have. The tape I have here is the 16-foot version, but Tajima also offers a 16-foot with a 5 meter, a 5 meter, a 25-foot, a 25-foot with a 7.5 meter, and a 7.5 meter. This tape measure has a white background with black markings, featuring graduations of 1/16 on the top and 1/32 on the bottom. The tape is 7/8 or 22 millimeters wide. Both the front and the back of the tape are marked. The advertised stickout range is 8.2 feet, but I found it to be closer to 8 feet. The end hook is held in place by 3 staggered rivets. The play on this tape hook is very smooth. On some tapes, the hook is really sticky and you have to wiggle it out. The tape has a matte coating, which has been good so far. This tape is auto-locking, meaning it stays extended until you press the release button on the top. It does a great job of stopping any retraction once I remove my finger from the button. If you press the bottom, it super locks it. I do find this to work well, but I am not sure in what application this would be useful in. You can purchase this tape on Amazon or Acme Tools for around $33. If you do not need the clip, then it's around $30. Here's a price comparison of a few common tape measures. The average price is around $23. The Tajima is by far the most expensive one, so this is definitely a premium option. I do consider the clip and the quality to be worth the price difference for me, plus the fact that I have not lost this tape since purchasing it is a big plus for me. If you have some extra cash, I do recommend trying this tape out, especially if the clip system interests you. If the clip system does not interest you, then you can probably find a better value elsewhere. At the end of the day, this is not going to blow out a $7 tape measure functionally. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any other questions.